He's heading towards the town up the stairs.
He's heading towards it. So excited about your rubies.
Rack, can you come here?
Yeah, hold on. I got it.
I hate you. You're horrible. You're a horrible person. And the Rack
ain't that high, bro.
Where's he heading? Is he turning towards the big island or like inside?
On the inside. He's heading towards the big bridge.
Okay. Okay.
I'm coming from.
Make sure to anchor his ship.
He already anchored it.
I see him.
Yeah. Let's go Zen.
Oh, another ship.
Another ship? Alright, here. Go back to the ship then. Rashay, can you go on their ship if you need to? If you need
You went on ours,
to.
but you locked the ship, right?
Yeah, I locked our ship, so you cannot drive it. It's physically impossible.
Alright, I'm going back. I'm going to the ship.
Leave him alone.
Yeah, leave him alone. Go back to the ship. Zen, swim back to the ship.
What is this? There's a place right here. What is it?
No, don't worry, Zen.
I want to explore this.
Zen, this is the revolutionary race. Swim back to the ship.
Okay.
Make sure that Rashay doesn't die. You're faster than me because you're going to go in water. Are they attacking you, Rashay?
This guy sucks. Checking the ship.
I'm on my way.
Is it just one?
Yeah.
I'm on my way, Rack. Don't worry about it. There's only one. He's trying to drive it away.
No, I'm trying to drive.
Oh, that's you.
You can anchor it as long as you were the last one to sit in the ship.
Hold on, I'll anchor it. Done. I got him.
Yeah, buddy, you have no ship. Where you going, buddy?
Yeah.
Well, not necessarily Marines. Yo, Rashay, get ready to fire them, okay?
I have to zoom in on this.
Hello.
Slow down a little bit.
No, we slow down a little bit. Oh, I took a little.
I can't aim at them. Nope,
Yeah, at this point you can't. Ready? Go. Shoot.
Damn.
That's two of them. Board. Get them.
Board?
Yeah. Anchor their ship if you can. Rashay, go anchor the ship. Go anchor the ship. Actually, no, never mind. Don't. It's burning. No reason to. Just don't die, Zen. Just don't die no matter what, okay?
Yeah, I got you.
Oh,
There's a Cyberman.
Can I hurt you?
Oh, he just shot me.
If you're low, jump in the water.
I'm in the water.
Well, yeah. I'm talking more to Rashay than you. Hold
on. I'm getting low.
Alright.
Got one.
I'm like 20 HP. I'm low.
Here, you can retreat. Are you low, Rashay?
31% now.
Got him.
Yeah, I shot near him.
There's another guy.
There's another one?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, I'm running. I'm already 50. I'm gonna die. I need help. I'm on top.
Go. Go to water. Get to water.
This guy's right into the water too. Rashay, are you good back there?
Yeah.
Zen, watch out. Watch out.
I'm a shot.
Swim towards me.
I'm literally 5 HP. I'm 3. I'm dead.
Oh. You got to
Don't you
heal
in the water,
too.
son?
Huh? No. I spawned at Kuno P. I kept a lot of stuff though. I didn't lose anything.
Shay, how you doing over there?
I'm fine. I'm full.
Ooh, I am not doing fine. I'm at almost half.
I'm now half. Yeah, you want some? Alright.
Yeah, I can handle this guy. I know he had a gun too. He's under the island. That guy is low. Watch out right in front of you.
Oh, I missed barely. Damn. How you doing, Enzo?
I'm doing good. What about you?
Oh, I'm low now.
Here, you can retreat for a bit. You retreat towards the boat. Did I save it or?
I have to go this way. I'm one.
Don't run in a straight line. He's after you, Riche. Oh, no, you went the wrong way.
Yeah, I didn't even lose much. I lost 1k bounty and 1k cash.
I'm safe.
You're safe?
Dumbass. Yeah, I'm safe. A little bit for a while.
Ooh, I am low.
Just keep dodging the bait. That's what I'm doing against this guy.
He's going after you, Riche. Watch out, watch out, watch out, watch out.
Oh, I'm low.
Yeah, I'm low as well.
Merry Christmas.
Nova.
Come on.
Merry Christmas, Nova.
Merry Christmas.
Oh, bro. Oh, no.
Oh, no.
Oh, no, bro.
No, it's
Good,
funny.
Riche?
I'm
Yeah,
winning.
is he good, Enzo? I don't know if he's good. Let's ask him. Risha, are you good?
I'm dead.
You're dead? Like,
Yeah.
you died?
Yeah.
Wait, what game are y'all playing?
OPR SD.
OPR.